Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a reliable emulator, BlueStacks, LD Player, or Nox, because the PC client doesn't natively support landscape. Once installed, add Dragon Ball Legends via Google Play or an APK and launch the game. Make sure the emulator is up to date. Outdated engines cause orientation bugs. Now, go to the emulator's device/profile options and pick a tablet or custom resolution profile. This first step lets you override the phone-only portrait mode and prepares the app to accept landscape rendering. Once done, change the emulator display to a landscape resolution like 1920 x 1080 because the game will render wider when the container is landscape. You should also adjust DPI to between 240 and 320 so buttons and text scale correctly. Too low or too high breaks layout. Enable GPU acceleration for smooth frame rates, then change the orientation to landscape and lock it. After saving, restart the emulator to force the app to reinitialize with the new screen geometry. You finish by launching Dragon Ball Legends and confirming the HUD fits the landscape layout. Make sure skill buttons and menus are reachable. Next, open the emulator's key mapping tool, remap touch zones to keyboard or gamepad controls so actions are accurate. If elements overlap or the screen stays portrait, clear the app cache, force stop the game, and relaunch. If that fails, reinstall the game inside the emulator. One key troubleshooting tip: always restart the emulator after display changes to apply orientation and DPI adjustments correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.